So here we are at Van Wert Carts More, 883 North Washington Street here in Van Wert, Ohio. 419-238-2732. Looking at this gently used, traded in black EZGO Valor 2018. Very, very nice cart. Does have headlights, tail lights, and a windshield. And it comes with the standard 20 by 8 by 10 Kenda Super Turf tires on a 10-inch black steel wheel. It is the EZGO black color. Very, very good looking cart, like I said. It is a 13.5 horse Kawasaki gas engine. So very, very nice engine. Plenty of oomph on it. It does have the rear seat on it as well. Folds down. And now you have some cargo area. Fold it back up and you're back into your 4-passenger seating capacity. Again, this is a 2018 locally owned EZGO Valor with a 13.5 horse Kawasaki gas engine. It was traded in. Give us a call, 419-238-2732. Schedule your test drive. And with that, let's go for a little test drive. So hop on here and off we go. Cruising around. Again, we're at 883 North Washington Street here in Van Wert, Ohio. Man, this is a nice little buggy here. So get out here, take this one for a drive. I don't have any doubt that you will be satisfied with it. Bring your trailer out, bring your truck out, however you plan on loading it up. Get it on there, take it home. Again, Van Wert Carts More, 419-238-2732. Get out here and take this 2018 EZGO Valor for your test drive today. Thank you very much for watching. Can't wait to see you, and have a great day.